Greetings, everyone. This is an example from the Gospel of John, which illustrates two topics from this chapter. So here's our verse. We've looked at this verse once before in class, but we'll recognize a few things now that we didn't before. Kago uk eiden auton. Kago is just a combination of kai, the word and ego. So, and I, uk eiden. Well, this is one of the reasons we're looking at this verse. Eiden means I knew. It is the past tense of oida, which means I know. This is a verb that got introduced in this chapter. And technically, oida is the perfect tense. It's formally perfect, but it serves as a present. You'll always translate it as a present. So oida means I know. And if the perfect form acts as the present form, then the pluperfect form acts as the imperfect form. It's like the tenses just shifted over one. So to make oida past tense, you make it pluperfect eiden. Long story short, eiden means I knew. And have a look at the full paradigm in the back of our textbook, paragraph 338. I've also given you a handout to illustrate a few peculiarities of this verb. So, first line, and I did not know him. Now it gets easy again. But Allah hapempsos, the one who sent, masculine aorist participle, the one who sent me to baptize in water. Ekenos moi apen, that one to me said, that one said to me. Now it gets a little tricky again. F han an ides. Let's break this down. F is just a combination of epi when it's followed by a rough breathing vowel. So epi becomes ep, and then it becomes f. And the preposition epi takes an accusative. It actually takes a lot of things, but in this case it takes an accusative. So then we're going to get our relative pronoun in the accusative. Epi han, upon whom. But this is an indefinite relative. We don't know who this person is. So John the Baptist adds on, our particle, which makes whom into whomever. It makes it indefinite. And one thing we've seen repeatedly with on, whenever it joins a sentence, we're looking for a subjunctive. And so ides is a subjunctive verb. Of what verb? It's the aorist verb eidon, so the aorist of blepo or horao, to see. And to make the aorist, I've already pre-colored this. We're going to get rid of the temporal augment, epsilon. We're going to get rid of our normal indicative endings. That gives us the stem id. And we're going to then add a subjunctive ending. Ace is the second person singular. So put all together, upon whomever you see. Upon whomever you see, and the rest of this is easy for you. Tapneuma, the Spirit. Katabainon, that's a neuter participle, agreeing with the neuter noun, tapneuma. The Spirit coming down, and mennoing, menno means to abide, upon him. Whenever you see the Spirit coming down and staying on him, that fellow is the one baptizing in Spirit Holy, in the Holy Spirit.